Hello everyone. Today I am going to discuss about principal focus of a mirror. We'll consider a concave mirror, okay? So which is basically coated one side with the silvery thing, okay? Another side is made for reflection, okay? This is the center of curvature of a mirror, okay? This is the point P. P stands for pole of the mirror. This is C. C stands for center of curvature. Here pole is the center part of the mirror. Then come to the center of curvature. It is the center of a spherical mirror. Okay, where mirror is the part. Okay, now what I will do, I will join the line C and P is called as a principal axis. Okay, also called as a radius of curvature of a concave mirror. Okay, now I'll call it as a point F. Okay, that is nothing but focus. Now we'll consider a incident light ray which is coming from certain distance and hitting the mirror. After hitting the mirror, it will pass through the focus. Okay, whenever the light ray is coming parallel to the principal axis, after hitting this surface, it will get reflected back and it will pass us through the focus. We can try with one more incident light ray which is coming parallel to the principal axis. After hitting the surface, it will pass us via focus. Okay, so this is the point where reflected light rays will pass when the incident light ray is passing parallel to the principal axis. This is called focus. And the distance between F and P will be considered as focal length. Okay, it is represented with small f. Okay, just imagine from P to C is 4 centimeter. Okay, then from P to F it is 2 centimeter. Okay, we have to remember the focal length will be always half of this. From here to here we will consider as a radius of curvature R. Okay, if radius of curvature is 4 centimeter, then focal length will be 2 centimeter. And remember one more important point here. Whenever the light ray is coming parallel to the principal axis, after reflection, it will pass us via focus. So basically all reflected light rays will gather at this point. So we will call this mirror as a converging mirror. Okay, another name for concave mirror is called converging mirror. What is concave mirror basically? It is a mirror or it is a spherical surface in which reflecting surface is towards the center of curvature, where another side of the mirror is coated with silvery thing. This is all about the principal focus of a concave mirror. Okay, another mirror is similar to this. Okay, that is called convex mirror. Okay, and this is the center of curvature. Okay, this is the center part of the mirror. We will call it as a pole. From here to here is principal axis. Okay, also we will call it as a radius of curvature. The line which basically passes via C and P is called as a principal axis of a mirror. Now what will happen? This is the incident light ray which is coming parallel to the principal axis. You can extend the principal axis like this, no issues. Okay, after hitting the mirror, this light will go like this. Okay, this is the reflected light ray. Okay, and if you extend this light, okay, this is the focus. Okay, it basically looks like it is originated from this point. Okay, I'll try with one more incident light ray. It is coming parallel to the principal axis. After hitting the mirror, it will reflect back like this. But basically, if you look at the another side and observe the light ray, it looks like it is originated from this point. Basically, light is coming from this side. We already know that light will always comes from the left side of the mirror. Okay, so but the observer who is standing this side, it looks like all the light rays are originated from this point and all are getting deviated from this point. It looks like, remember that. So I will call this mirror as a diverging mirror. Here we have observed that all the light rays after reflection will come and meet here. So I will call it as a converging mirror. But in this case, in the case of convex mirror, all the light rays looks like originated from this point after reflection. Clear? And one more point, from here to here we will call it as a small f. F is the focal length. Half of the radius of curvature we'll consider as a focal length. Let me say that from here to here is 5 centimeter. Then from here to here is 2.5 centimeter. So focal length will always be half of the radius of curvature. Okay. So now here we have to observe here, this is the focus and this is the focus. So basically, what is principal focus? Principal focus is the point on the principal axis, okay, where light rays will come and meet after reflection in the case of concave mirror. And in the case of convex mirror, it looks like all the light rays are getting diverged from this point. The point where it looks like converging and diverging on the case of both concave and convex mirror is called as principal focus of the mirror. Okay, so this is all about the focus of the mirror.